Welcome to Early Learners, featuring the first 19 sounds of the 44 sounds of English. 5 long vowel sounds: A, E, I, O, U. 5 short vowel sounds: A, E, I, A, U. Long double O sound: short double O sound: 4 R control vowel sounds: air, R, or. 3 diphthong sounds: oi, ow, ah. Okay, the 11th sound of the 44 sounds of the English language is short U. Short U sounds like which is the schwa sound. Remember that sound. The schwa. Remember the word schwa. I'm going to do a whole video on that. Schwa. Very important sound. Up. Bus. Sun. Nut. The U, the short U, has the same sound as the schwa sound. Same sound, no difference. I'm going to show you how the schwa sound can be used to substitute the a, the I, and the ah in some of the other vowels. Very important sound, schwa sound. It's the same as the short U sound. Remember the word. Remember the word schwa. Short U sounds like as in ugly, up, us, I'm, utter. Short U sounds like as in g, hug, b, tub, p, cup, m, d, mud, t, hut. Next stop is the 12th sound of the English language, which is the double O, short double O, which sounds like Now don't confuse that sound with the short U sound, This sound, the short double O, sounds like like b, k, book, l, look. No child left behind.